Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for a reliable high-quality impact wrench set, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 Milwaukee Impact Wrench Sets on the market, so you can make an informed purchase. Be sure to stick around until the end to find out which one we think is the best overall. And as always, check out the links in the description box for more information, and to purchase any of the products mentioned in this video. Let's get started. Milwaukee 2767 22 Impact Wrench Kit. The Milwaukee 2767 22 Impact Wrench Kit is the perfect solution for stubborn and rusted bolts. This kit includes an impact wrench with friction ring, 2 battery packs and a charger, making it a complete set for all your fastening needs. It packs a powerful punch with a maximum fastening torque of 1,000 flubs and a nut-busting torque of 1,400 flubs, making it a reliable and efficient tool for even the most challenging tasks. At just 8.39 inches in length, its compact design makes it easy to use in tight spaces that traditional tools cannot reach. The 4-mode drive control with bolt removal mode gives users the most control over their fasteners by slowing to 750 revolutions per minute once the fastener has been busted loose. This provides versatility in a range of applications, from automotive work to construction. Additionally, the tool-free socket changes with a half-inch friction ring anvil allow for quick and easy switching between sockets. The premium rubber over mold material on the handle provides superior comfort during prolonged use and is durable enough to withstand corrosive materials. Lastly, it comes with 2 battery packs and a rapid charger, eliminating the need for a pneumatic tool. Milwaukee 2555 22 Impact Wrench Kit. The Milwaukee 2555 22 Impact Wrench Kit is a must-have tool for any professional or DIY mechanic looking for a compact and powerful impact wrench. With its length of only 4.9 inches, this tool is the most compact impact wrench on the market, allowing for greater access in tight spaces. Despite its size, it delivers an industry-leading 250 feet-pounds of breakaway torque, making it capable of removing even the most stubborn bolts and fasteners. Additionally, the 4-mode drive control provides unmatched control in various fastening applications, allowing for precision control with a range of 1 to 3 revolutions per minute. What's more, the auto shut-off mode in the 4th setting prevents over-fastening of bolts during reassembly work. The kit includes the M12 fuel stubby, half-inch impact wrench, 2 M12 batteries and a charger, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution for all your mechanical needs. Milwaukee 2854 22 Impact Wrench Kit. The Milwaukee 2854 22 Impact Wrench Kit is a powerful and versatile tool that offers exceptional performance in a compact design. At 4.8 inches in length, this impact wrench is perfect for tight spaces in automotive and construction applications. Its power-state brushless motor delivers up to 250 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque, making tough jobs easy. The 3x8-inch compact impact wrench also features 4-mode drive control, which allows users to choose from a range of preset revolutions per minute and feed rate in inches per minute levels for greater precision and control. The auto shut-off control in Mode 4 ensures that no more than 20 feet-pounds of torque are applied for hand-tight fastening applications, preventing over-tightening. Additionally, bolt removal control in Mode 4 delivers full torque output and decreases feed rate in inches per minute once the bolt is loosened to prevent fastener drops. The Tri-LEDs that surround the anvil provides brighter light with fewer shadows, enhancing visibility in low-light situations. The Red Link Plus Intelligence electronics ensure maximum performance and protect the tool against overloads, overheating, and over-discharge. The included M18 Red Lithium 5 ampere-hour battery pack delivers more work per charge and more work over the life of the pack. Milwaukee 2960 22 Impact Wrench Kit. The Milwaukee 2960-22 Mid Torque Impact Wrench Kit offers a best-in-class power-to-weight ratio, providing 600 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque at only 5 pounds. With a 5 ampere-hour battery, its 6-inch length provides the most access in tight spaces, while its faster removal speed increases user productivity. The Tri-LEDs deliver high-definition lighting, reducing shadows and increasing workspace visibility. The 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power, including auto shut-off and bolt removal mode. The auto shut-off mode prevents over-tightening and increases productivity by applying no more than 35 pounds of torque, while bolt removal mode offers more control after bolt breakaway, as revolutions per minute drastically slow down once the bolt is loosened. With its powerful features and precise control, this mid-torque impact wrench is a versatile tool suitable for a range of fastening applications, delivering both power and precision for maximum efficiency. Milwaukee 2867 22 Impact Wrench Kit. The Milwaukee 2867 22 Impact Wrench Kit is a powerful cordless impact torque wrench that offers up to 1,800 pounds of nut busting torque and 1,500 pounds of fastening torque. This tool provides cordless convenience and eliminates the need for compressors, generators, cords, and hoses, reducing energy costs and eliminating routine maintenance. The Red Link Plus intelligence ensures maximum performance and protects the tool against overloads, overheating, and over-discharge. The 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power. And the 1-key capabilities allow you to customize, track, and manage the impact wrench, including setting a repeatable torque output for maximum control. The tool is also lightweight, at only 13 pounds of battery and up to 7 pounds lighter than corded units, making it easier to handle and reducing fatigue during extended use. The kit includes two M18 high-output XC8 batteries, an M18 and M12 rapid charger, and a contractor bag, providing everything you need for extended use on the job site. That concludes our video on the best Milwaukee Impact Wrench Sets. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision on which impact wrench set is right for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews and recommendations.